There's no expectation now that this Kyrgyz rescue team will find anyone alive under the rubble of these apartments in Antakya. What they're trying to do is at least give relatives a body to bury. Mehmet Güler lost 5 members of his family.
It has been 14 days. I'm waiting for my aunt, dead or alive. What matters is we get her from here so we can bury her and give her a place under the soil.
Mehmet's aunt is classified as missing. Amidst the constantly updating statistics on the tens of thousands of dead or injured or homeless, there's one number the Turkish government can't provide. It doesn't know how many people are still missing. The scale of the disaster and the expectations of the survivors takes its toll on the more than 35,000 Turkish and foreign rescuers working here.
Kutkaruучулар.
We have psychologists in our team offering support to help us get over stress and depression. I've never seen an earthquake like this in my whole life. You have to shut down your emotions when you do the job.
In Antakya, survivors have access to food, medicines and tents, but the government wants somehow to start rebuilding as soon as possible. At least 345,000 apartment buildings have been destroyed according to the Turkish government. Of course, every one of them somebody's home. And now that the search and rescue operation has effectively ended, the task of demolishing and rebuilding is beginning. It may prove impossible to calculate exactly how many people are missing or dead following the earthquakes here. But in some places they know. Every balloon here represents the life of a child that lived in this apartment building. Bernard Smith, Al Jazeera, Antakya.